Hi everyone, I'm outside my house here and I'm just about to go on a walk in nature, so follow me. So first of all, my beautiful azaleas here. They must have had the perfect amount of water, I think, and nutrition from the soil. Just incredible. That beautiful, vibrant cherry red coming through here. I'm noticing the beautiful rose petals that have flown off someone's rose bush. Gorgeous, getting into the hot pinks. And then, because it's the middle of spring, the glorious green grass, it's like carpet outside my house here. It's amazing. The tree and its multi-brown colours. The swing. So at the moment I'm observing everything my eyes can pick up. So the she oak and the fine spindly, not leaves but spindles. Looking like really thin here. So out here, vast open park, 4 acres of park here, massive footpaths, basketball ring, very wet ground here with a puddle. Yeah, so now my hearing sense, I can hear many birds chirping. I think they could be magpies. I'm imagining what birds they are, not sure what type of birds, but I can hear a dog barking in the distance as well, and my feet touching the ground, the soggy ground. It's pretty soggy here. Skating on the grass, making squeaky noises. I can hear the noise on top of the umbrella with the rain dropping out in the elements here today. And my body physically feels so good at the moment. The middle of spring, I'm feeling quite light on my feet, very energised, feeling strong in my body, emotionally, feeling very happy, privileged and thankful for the magnificent place that we've chosen to live in, which happened to be a great decision for what it's brought us in the last 6 months. Now the smells that are in the park here, I can almost smell the damp soil as I'm walking, and smelling a wet woody smell as well. Coming up around the toilet block, can't smell anything. Thank goodness, I can't smell anything, but I smell the damp air. It's almost like the rain is making the air smell fresher. Clearing the pollution and tasting in my mouth. I can taste the freshness of nature. So using all my senses, zoning into every sense one at a time, and that way it makes me very present to not only get into my physical body, but to get in tune with heightening all my senses, so I'm more alive and more aware of what this world has to actually offer humans. So when I find myself in that space, I feel very centered in my core, and also it brings me into more gratitude, because I get to be in touch with the miracle that we are as humans. So very often I wait until a baby's born till I am absolutely in awe of what a miracle it is to have a human born. But I forget that even as we get to be children and teenagers and adults that we're still, of course, miracles of creation. And that brings me into my deep breathing and brings my spirit alive. You know, I feel very grounded and centered, ready to teach my Pilates session.